Today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 588 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 78% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator and the Academy Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator to trade a strategy that I'll mention later on in this video. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend trading strategy. And so the source video says the best 5-minute scalping strategy ever. Simple and powerful. And so, the source video is a little bit boisterous there. The best scalping strategy ever. That would be hard to really test such a claim. Of course, you'd have to test every single indicator, every single strategy, to be able to determine whether or not a strategy is the best ever. And so, yeah, I mean, it's a little bit outlandish to make that claim, but of course, we will put the strategy to the test nonetheless and see what we can get out of it. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the quantitative breakout bands. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Go ahead and jump into the settings. And what we're going to do is just scroll down to the band multiplier right here. Change that to 2.4. Then jump into the styles, and what you're going to do is uncheck the first bullish trailing starts right here, and uncheck the first bearish trailing starts here, then uncheck the polylines here. Then go ahead and click OK. The second indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the market structure oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Again, we're going to jump into the settings and go into the inputs, the short term weight. Make sure that is set to 2. Intermediate term weight is 3. Long term weight is 2. And the oscillator smoothing is set to 5. And everything else stays on the default settings. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade example, so we're looking for when we get a red dot like this here from the breakout bands indicator. We want a red candle like this here, and then look down to the market structure oscillator. We want it to have an orange bar like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. I'm going to put our stop just right above the midline right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see that we make this push to the downside, run into the consolidation, and then another push, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade setup, what we are looking for is we're looking for a green dot like this here from the breakout bands indicator. We want a green candle like this here. Then we're going to look down to the market structure oscillator. We want it to have a blue histogram bar like this here. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here. We want to put our stop. So right below this band right here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see how we get a pullback here, getting close to our stop, but doesn't quite hit it before we make this nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. Before we take a look at the numbers on this strategy, if you're looking for a profitable strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It has been put up against hundreds of other strategies and every single time has come out to be more profitable. I'll put a link to the video on this strategy up in the corner now, and on screen right now you will see the thumbnail to that video, so you're sure that you're getting to the right one. So you don't have to worry about not finishing this current video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 10 winning trades and 40 losing trades. It's going to put it at a very nasty 20% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk to reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $6,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total loss would have been $16,000. That would have put your total profit and loss at a negative loss of $10,000 altogether. So definitely not the best scalping strategy ever. It is simple, but I don't know if you would call it powerful. Maybe powerful at losing money. Now, during the same period of time, we did right at 43 trades altogether with the Academy of Forex indicator and the Academy of Forex higher time frame fractal candle indicator. We had right at a 74% win rate and a total gain right at $19,000. So definitely better results. If you have not already seen it, I'd like to introduce you to the newest indicator here at the Academy of Forex. It's a very simple but very powerful indicator. What it does is it helps to predict or anticipate what future price might be doing within a specific future time frame. To do this, we are aligning a higher time frame and specific candle formations, which make up the red and green tags as well as the blocked out period of time in between these two gray lines. This indicator can be used to enhance the win rate of existing strategies or indicators you may be using. For example, like the Academy of Forex indicator, which I did a whole video on, or it can be used just as powerful as a standalone indicator. For example, when we pick up a red label like this here, what we can anticipate is price is going to make for example, when we pick up a red label like this here, we can predict or anticipate that price is going to make an open, high, low, close formation. Or when you get a green tag, you can anticipate a open, low, high, close formation. This powerful knowledge will help you align yourself with the true direction in which the market is attempting to go. If you are interested in accessing this new indicator, just join our Patreon down below. Once you join our Patreon, you'll get access to our Discord, and just go into the NQ indicator request, tag me at DP Roberts, and request access to the higher time frame fractal candles indicator. Alright, that does it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.